culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls lit with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm back at it again. So I told you guys I would come back with some more beard updates. Make sure you go check out Freeze Rims. I'm gonna drop the link for that in the description down below. I told you guys last week that I was ordering some Minoxidil. Well, I did. I got it in the mail. And I also got the Derma roller. Now you guys may be wondering, what is a Derma roller? What is Minoxidil? I got the Minoxidil. This is what it is. It's made by Kirkland. Same people that make the what they make, dog food and stuff like that from Sam's Club, I believe. Either Sam's Club or Costco. That's the Kirkland brand. But what is it? Minoxidil is a hair regrowth treatment. Now, I ain't bald. We all can see that, but doing my research, including the advice that you guys gave me in previous videos pertaining to the beard journey, you said Minoxidil works. From what I've read and what I've watched online, it does work. But what this is, it's like 30 bucks, Amazon, and it has 6 vials in here. Each vial is about this size, supposed to last you 1 month, and this is the 5%. They got a 10%, but I don't think you need 10%. But what they did not tell me though is that first day I put it on, my face was on fire, bro. Super itchy. I thought I was gonna have to discontinue the whole thing. But so far so good, okay? I don't know so far so good because it says on here in the instructions that it may take up to 6 months. So for this patch right here that I told you guys I was struggling with, it has not done much, but that's understandable as it says 6 months on there. But yeah, do I recommend this? I can't really recommend it. It says #1 dermatologist recommended, active ingredient, but we're just gonna have to see, wait and look. I can't tell you you should get this or not, but I will once I'm done with this box. So 6 months worth of bottles are in here. I'm hoping that this will grow in because everything else has been grown fantastically. Like this side, I really like it, but you can't really expect no full beard in the amount of time that I've been growing it. But I mean, the time that I've given it, it's already looking good in my opinion. So, except for this, obviously. So I've been using this. But I told you guys I also purchased a Derma roller. So what is a Derma roller? I'm gonna show you. This is a Derma roller. If you look closely, you can see little needles on here. It's 520 little needles on here. Now I'm not trying to make my face bleed or nothing like. That's not what this is for. Okay? This is for opening up small holes and increase collagen production. Okay? Collagen is what helps your hair grow. Okay? This increases collagen production. Now, the Minoxidil decreases collagen production, which is why if you're going to be using it, I recommend you use a Derma roller. This helps a lot. Not from my experience, but from others' experiences. Because I'm not just going to come and oh yeah, I know everything about beards. I don't know, okay? I really don't know much about beards, but as I'm going on to this beard journey, I'm taking you guys along with me. So if you want to get a beard, you can learn with me. And then whatever I learn from multiple sources, I mash it all together and I bring it to you guys, okay? So Derma roller. This is $12.99. Also Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to this down below as well. So what I do is just roll it across here. And after each use, I make sure I wipe it off with alcohol. And I really want to use it here because I'm not sure if I really care for this. It's gonna grow in. I know that for sure. But this is the only trouble spot. And I was actually thinking if I cut this right here and brought it around, but not taking no chance, especially since I've never grown it this long. And if I mess it up, I'm really not gonna do it again. So this is a one-time thing for me. If it works, it works. If not, I'm never trying it again. But that's about it. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. This is gonna be an ongoing journey as far as the beard is concerned, because like I tell you guys all the time, it's not gonna happen overnight, especially with this beard thing. They say in 6 months, within the next 6 months, I'm gonna continue dropping weekly updates for you guys to see if this is improved. But by the end of 6 months, you guys should be able to see if both of these products work. But I'm giving it a shot. Anything to see any kind of progress, I'm buying it. And plus you guys recommended it, so I got to try it out. Appreciate y'all for coming through. So this is just my beard journey. I also have my wave journey and tips for wavers on this exact channel. So if you're here for beards, maybe you should try getting waves as well. Check out the wave content. I'm gonna drop another video today on some products and stuff that I got in the mail. So make sure you check that video out as well. Once again, it's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm out.
Sauce. Whoa.